Good morning. For today's math activity, we will start by counting to 10. Let's count together. And we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's move on to activity number 1. Number 1, count each flower. How many are there? Number 2, draw dots in each circle for the numbers given. Number 3, how many dots are all together? You combined 7 and 1. Number 4, cut out the daisies and tulips on page 135. Make an AB pattern with the flowers. Refer to page 135 to find the daisies and the tulips. Number 5, make a set of 9 dots inside the circle. Make sure you mark them dark. That concludes today's activity. Please take pictures and upload them to Teams. Thank you.